Bruh. Fuck my life. I hate it so much. Yes, I'll kill Funtime Freddy is crying child. Hey Dad, can I go visit my friend Funtime Freddy is crying child?
Sure, but don't cause any trouble.
I'm pretty sure I won't.
Okay, now go.
Yes, time to break into the toilet and kill Funtime Freddy is crying child, ha 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 ha. Wait! What was that sound? Wait! Monkey. What are you doing? I'm gonna kill you, ha 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 ha.
What is that shit? I must go and check. No, Funtime Freddy is crying child is dead. Wah no.
Shit! I'm spotted.
I'm calling your father now. Hey Chester aka Monkey's dad PLS, pick Monkey up now, he killed my very good friend.
He did. What? I'm picking him up now. When we get home he is going to be so grounded.
Thank you. Your dad is coming, you're in trouble now.
We're going home now. Think about what you did.
But I'm sorry.
Apology unaccepted. Yes, we arrived. Oh, how dare you kill Funtime Freddy is crying child, that's it, you're grounded for billions of years, go to your room now.
Wait, it's not over yet, I can use a spell to bring my friend back. Yay 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 yay.
Wait! I'm alive. I'm 100% alive. Monkey thought he could get rid of me, but at least Mako used his spell, yay 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 yay. The end.